Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. Happy Tuesday after Columbus Day. This time we're demonstrating the second job sent to me by my friends at Racin' Repair. They are in Elk River, Minnesota. I've always really loved that name, Racin' Repair, R-A-C-I-N apostrophe. Pretty cool. So this is obviously an AM/FM radio out of a Buick. It is out of a '64 Buick Wildcat. I can barely read the writing, but it looks like a Wildcat. Customers requested the modern internal conversion to greatly increase the output power because we're replacing the original connectors with this new 12-wire harness. So that means instead of 4 watts per side, now the radio has 22.5 watts per speaker for up to 4 speakers. And they've also requested the Bluetooth edition. So we're going to check everything before we send it back. I've got it set to AM right now to the one strong station I get, so we can try a few of these features during talk radio and not get nailed for copyright issues. So let's go ahead and turn it on to AM.
Gavin Newsom's trying to have government run oil and gas.
Now we'll need our output level meters for this.
Yeah, what we're seeing here
we're going to
is
try our virtual front rear fader.
We're in charge, everything will be better. Well, they've been in charge and things are actually worse. We need all the energy.
Okay, here we go.
Wyoming, America's
fader adjust.
Okay.
Powerhouse of energy.
All the way front.
And people know we all want to make
rear.
energy as clean as we can, as
front.
fast as we can, and do it in
Rear.
ways that don't
center
raise costs. But what Joe Biden wants to do and the Democrats
fader
set. Okay.
On the
Left, right, balance.
to make sure that we buy oil.
Balance adjust.
Okay.
People around the world that don't
all the way
like
left.
it. We have it here,
all the
and
way
they
right.
want us to keep it in the ground.
Left.
The administration Secretary of Interior said, no,
center
leave it in the ground. We are blessed with so many...
Balance set.
Okay. And incidentally, the virtual balance and fader, that's all done with the tone control. That's how you activate and adjust it. And then once you finish adjusting it, she says fader set or balance set. And at that point, this tone control is once again the tone control. And I also want to point out that in most cases, radios sound best with the tone control all the way clockwise. So you'll want to remember after making these adjustments to return your tone control to how you like it to sound best, which for most people is going to be fully clockwise. Alrighty, let's move over to FM, and I have all 5 preset. Let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode. We don't need this stuff anymore. Okay, make sure we can put the Bluetooth into pairing mode.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. Okay, now let's move over to FM, and I have all 5 stations preset to stations in my area for a quick test. Okay, now we're on FM. Okay, that one drifted a bit.
For your next holiday, corporate retreat, or business.
Just reset that one. Try that.
Call Ann at night.
Okay, now we got all 5 presets playing stations. Alrighty, that takes care of it. Let's check the dial light. Okay, and you can probably see it flashing on and off through this opening right here as I press or release the button. Okay, so we're good to go here. She's ready to go back to the customer. Did I install the aux input? I did. It does have the aux input. Just wanted to make sure I did that. Sometimes I forget. All right, and sometimes when a customer requests a master input-output box, the aux input's on that. So, all right, so she's ready to go. And I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio up here as soon as I can find what I'm doing here. Here we go. To reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below, and please download and print the work order off that website before calling me with questions about my options, prices, and turn times, because the work order will answer all those questions as you're filling it out. Then if you still need to talk to me, which is perfectly okay, you're welcome to give me a call. I'm just trying to get away from the 15-minute phone conversations wherein the customer is asking me a zillion questions that are already answered on the work order. So doing it my way keeps me on the bench where the work actually gets done. I don't get anything done on the phone, so please try to respect that. Thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you to my friends at Racin' Repair for the second job that you've sent me out of Elk River, Minnesota, and we'll see you guys next time.